Hi everyone, welcome to Angel Family Farm. Today we are harvesting sunnies. Let's see, let's walk through the sunny portal. So clearly these things are much taller than me. I certainly can't reach. See, much taller. But I basically have to go in the abyss and check out Sunny by Sunny. Oh, here's a little bee. Little bee enjoying some. Oh, there's people in the fields over there, and sometimes I think I'm alone, but I'm not. So yeah, we are harvesting sunnies for tomorrow. See you guys at the farmers market. Bye.